It is true that 4 lions escaped from the parks. However, we can also confirm to you and the viewers at home that our team is on the ground. They've been searching for these lions. We were using our drones, and we have also requested our colleagues from Kruger National Park to assist us with the chopper and trying to search for these lions. Unfortunately, as we speak now, we have not yet located them. But today, this morning, we sent our team back to search for these lions. Today, we're also searching them with our dogs and drones. We are determined and hopeful that we'll be able to locate these lions so that it can also be translocated.
Yeah. I mean, it's been 4 days that they've been missing. It seems they want to stay missing for the Easter weekend as well.
We are hopeful that we'll be able to locate them. I understand that it's been 4 days, as I've indicated, but our team been always on the ground. This morning, we started our operation at 4:30 in the morning. Yesterday, we called off our operation around 11 p.m. So we've been working around the clock to try to get these lions. So it was a very difficult search due to the fact that it was also raining. When we were trying to follow the tracks, it rained. Then, unfortunately, we were unable to see the tracks. But we've been always on the ground, making sure that we locate them. So, but we are definitely confident that with the team, because we are also getting assistance from other stakeholders that have joined hands, they've joined us to search for these lions. But we are definitely sure that we will be able to locate them so that our community will be at ease.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Jones, Wina TV. Please subscribe. Bye for now till we meet again next time. Subscribe, please. Don't forget to like and to comment. Thank you very much.
Dr. Jones, Wina TV.
Goodbye till we meet again next time. Subscribe.